challenged hiker here this Monday, October 21st, 2024 at Boucher Rapids, the bottom of the Grand Canyon. As you can see, Xena has come with me. She's made it to day 6. She even day hiked down to Hermit Rapid, and then today she has day hiked with me down to Boucher Rapids. Yeah, she's definitely faded. The pocket repair is holding up. It's been my water filter pocket this trip because I don't have to access that as much. But yeah, she's faded. I'm looking at some of the stretched out water pockets and you know, the marks where she's been abraded, rubbing against rocks. So I don't know. It may be her last trip, or it may not. Only time will tell. But anyway, again, day 6. The sun is shining today. You don't know how. Wow. Yeah, we hiked down last Wednesday. We did a 12-miler. Spent the night at Salt Creek, and it was decent. We pulled into Grand Rapids the next day around lunchtime, and those clouds rolled in. We had thunder and lightning storms that night, and then the next day we meandered over to Hermit Creek, and we had rain that night. And then, supposedly, it was going to clear on out, and we had rain our second night at Hermit Creek. So yeah, when we hauled it into Boucher yesterday, we had some very soggy gear. It has, for the most part, dried out. Still, crazy heavy dew this morning. It's been kind of weird. I'm not used to things being so wet in the Grand Canyon. But I guess that is nice. We are hoping that when we get back up to our camp area today, that we maybe run into a group that has come down to Boucher, because about halfway up, where we're spending tomorrow night, not tonight, there's this awesome little camp area. I've done a video on it. I'll probably get some footage again, but it's got potholes. And with 3 days of rain, I'm really hoping those potholes have some water in them, because if they do, we don't have to haul up 2 days worth of water. So, I don't know. I mean, our trip's it has been amazing. She really enjoyed the stretch between Hermit Creek camp yesterday and Boucher. Definitely not a walk in the park. I don't think the worst, but I was kind of nervous. She's never been in Boucher. This is my 3rd time in the Boucher area, but I am reversing it this time. People like to reverse the Hermit to Bright Angel Loop into Bright Angel and out Hermit. So we kind of have done that this time too. We're not entirely climbing out Hermit, just the last 2 miles, but to be honest, I think going Hermit to Bright Angel is a little bit easier of a hike. Maybe that's just me, I'm not too sure, but it sure felt like we had a lot more gradual climb between areas than when we, you know, go Hermit, you know, Monument, or etc. You know, it just feels like, you know, once you climb out of Monument, you just kind of, you know, gradually are going down more than up. I don't know. Let me know about that. I don't know. The sky today, there's like no clouds. Yay. I mean, I love clouds for photos and stuff, but I don't know. I am enjoying myself. Yeah. I don't know how well you can hear me over the rapids. I am yelling at the camera, so I don't know. I might just be wasting my breath here, but I don't know. If it wasn't so hard to get to this place, this is one of those places that I could probably spend just a few days to, you know, forget about all the craziness that's 2 more nights.